come forward and light the lamp before Ma Saraswati. Now, may I request Professor S.P. Ambesh, Dean SGPGI, to address the event.
Thank you. Professor Alok Dhawan, Director CBMR and Chief Guest of today's function. Professor Sonia Nityanand, Director Ram Manohar Lohia Institute of Medical Sciences, Lucknow, and former Head Department of Hematology at SGPGI MS. Professor Rajesh Kashyap, Head Stem Cell Research Center and Head Department of Hematology and Organizing Chairman of this symposium. Dr. Vinod Verma, Dr. Jalaj Gupta, Dr. Kulwant Singh, Dr. C.P. Chaturvedi, the organizing secretaries of this symposium. Distinguished speakers, esteemed faculty members, delegates, residents, nursing and technological staff, members from print media, ladies and gentlemen. It gives me great pleasure to be part of the inaugural ceremony of this National Symposium on Stem Cell and Cellular Therapy in Human Diseases. Stem cell therapy per se is a regenerative medicine which offers great promise for newer medical treatments, and its role is expanding in curing and controlling various diseases for which no definite medicinal treatment is available. As we know, stem cells are the body's raw cells or mother cells from which all other cells with specialized functions are generated or developed. Stem cell therapy promotes the repair response of the diseased, dysfunctional, or injured tissue using stem cells or their derivatives. It is the next generation in organ transplantation and uses cells instead of donor organs, which are limited in supply. We know in our India it's very difficult to get the organs. We have a number of accidental deaths, but I'm sorry to say we are not able to harvest the organs, or we are not able to convince the donors or their families to donate the organs. In this field, the stem cell therapy has a great scope. I'm happy to say that though the Stem Cell Research Center at SGPGI MS was established only a few years back, I think in 2017, under the able headship of Professor Sonia Nityanand, who is now moved to RML Institute of Medical Sciences as its director. However, it is growing steadily and made significant progress under Professor Rajesh Kashyap with 4 young and enthusiastic faculty members. I must congratulate the faculty members of this department for their progress and achievements in stem cell therapy. Though the department has several intramural and extramural projects to its credit, I feel still there is more to be done. There has been significant progress in the extraction of DNAs, RNAs, nucleic acid, sequencing of genomes, and genetic engineering per se. The stem cell therapy especially has great scope in research as well as in clinical practice. I strongly feel that joint studies in collaboration with other departments such as clinical and experimental immunology, pathology, nuclear medicine, and biochemical and genetic engineering are the need of the hour. I can assure you that the institute administration is very open to extending all kinds of help to further your research and clinical practice in this field. We, being in the premier institute SGPGI MS, it is our duty and responsibility to educate and disseminate the knowledge we possess in the field of latest technology in life sciences to our professional colleagues of the newer generation and trainees. It is quite gratifying to see a very enthusiastic response to this first symposium, and I envisage that the recent developments in the field of stem cell and cellular regenerative therapy will be discussed by eminent experts in this field. I am quite sure and optimistic that the newer generation of doctors and researchers will feel inspired to work in stem cell therapy and carry home the knowledge for furthering their research and clinical practice. In end, I will not take more time, but I would like to take this opportunity to express my sincere thanks to Professor Rajesh Kashyap, the organizing chairman, and his 4 other organizing secretaries for working hard to organize this National Symposium. I sincerely thank our chief guest, Professor Alok Dhawan, the director of CBMR, and special invitees Professor Sonia Nityanand, director RML Institute of Medical Sciences, for making themselves available in spite of their busy schedule. I am sure your presence and words of wisdom will inspire the young and budding generation of doctors and scientists to work in the field of stem cell therapy. The Institute truly appreciates your dedication and affection. As the Dean of this premier institute, I extend a warm welcome to you all and wish a great success of this scientific event. Thank you.